Hello, and welcome back to class today. This is our first Excel homework assignment. And I also have to say this is a very important day for me because I'm here at a conference in Hilton Head, South Carolina at the beach. Here's a picture of the beach right there, and this is the hotel where I'm currently staying. And I have to say, I remember, like I said earlier, 20 years ago when I was in class, and I said to my students, one day I was going to teach a class from the beach. And you guys happen to be the students to take a class from me that I recorded at the beach. So tomorrow I'm going to jump in the water. It's nice out here. But tonight I'm going to talk about Excel homework number 1. I'm here at a conference for housing authorities in the state of Georgia. And so I've got some work to do tomorrow and meet and mingle, try and get some business, try and do some consulting work. And I'm going to jump in the pool a little bit. You can see that nice pool out there. I'm going to get into the pool and I'm going to get out there tomorrow afternoon into the ocean a little bit. So I'm enjoy myself. But in the meanwhile, let me tell you what we're going to do, or what you're going to do. This recording is not going to last long because you'll see on our blog about dealing with homework number 1. There are some videos that are up. There's a Windows video and there are 2 Mac videos. So here's what I need you to do for your homework assignment. This got the wrong date on it. Let me correct that date. But for March 22nd, our Excel homework number 1 is going to be tips and tricks. There will be an exam on class marker. That exam will begin on Tuesday the 23rd. Here it is, on Tuesday the 23rd and end on Sunday the 28th. So you have a long time to do it. But I want you to remember there are going to be 2 exams. There's 2 versions of this exam. One for Windows users and one for Mac users. So I want you to choose the exam on your computer when you get into class marker. Choose the exam for the version that is on your computer. Do not complete both of them. So I want you to study the videos, either Windows or Mac, not both. And then you take the exam, right? And basically it's a simple exam where it's going to ask you some shortcut questions. This is pretty easy. Just like on Wednesday, for people who are not used to Excel, you should have watched that video or those videos so that you can learn the basics of Excel. Today, we're just going to we're going to look at some videos that deal with tips and tricks of Excel. Now, I have Excel 2010 for Windows, and I have Excel, I can't remember if this is 09 or 11 for Mac, but they're both about the same. It's just basic keystrokes and tricks. The Windows version is about 20 minutes, so there's quite a few tricks in there. And then you can see for Mac, you've got one that's 11 minutes and the other one is 6. So watch those videos. Again, either the Windows or the Mac, not both. I also want to say that I received some really nice blog posts from some of the students. Some of you guys are really doing a good job. They're up there, and hopefully everybody else will read them. Some interesting stuff in there. I will activate this link right here that now says inactive, but I'll activate that, which is a shortcut to this post for the future. And I'll add the video to our little gadget up here. It doesn't show, but there'll be the gadget up there to show all of our this video with the other videos. All right? So this is a pretty short one. I want you to study either the Windows video or the 2 Mac videos, and then take the exam. It's just basic, again, tips and tricks. That's it for today. On Wednesday, the pre-recorded class will deal with Google search, which is going to be an interesting shortcuts and how to make your Google searches more efficient. All right, so again, this is Professor Sistrunk teaching from the beach in Hilton Head, South Carolina. This is where I want to retire, man, and teach a class like this for the rest of my life. Thank you very much and have a good day. And I'll see you next Monday. I'll be back in with a suntan and probably some flip-flops on. See you then.